And thank you, Dr. Knight Burney. Nellie Jimenez Arevalo has been director of the Kennett Square Family Center, a program of the Maternal and Child Health Consortium since the center started 5 years ago. Under her leadership, the center helps over 100 parents each year to ensure their children are healthy and ready to succeed in school. Ms. Jimenez Arevalo is well recognized in the community and has been awarded titles such as one of the most influential Latinas in the Delaware Valley and a Literacy Community Impact Hero. It's my pleasure to welcome her here today. Nellie?
Thank you, Mr. Lewis. And you're right, your staff is wonderful. So, parent power. Thank you so much. There you go. And we have children here. How excited. So thank you for inviting me today. Have you ever noticed a young child's intent gaze at his mom or dad? That look, filled with innocent curiosity and a yearning for direction, is why parent involvement in a young child's life is extremely important. It is during these first 5 years of their life that the brain growth is unmatched and that children are most dependent on their parents, learning how the world works from their parents' responses. These are also the foundation years for parents in how they will be involved with their children in education in the future. We, the 66 family centers of Pennsylvania, see that look all over our communities every day, and we respond by helping parents carrying out their role as their children's first teacher. Through our evidence-based curriculum, Parents as Teachers, we give parents the tool they need to take an active part in their child's development and education, even before they start kindergarten. Week after week, all across Pennsylvania, our parent educators can be found sitting on the living room floor with an excited child and their parents. They are laying the foundation for a child's lifetime of success by introducing children to their letters, numbers, and colors in a fun and effective way while teaching the children's parents how to do the same. And through our approach that is based on the close relationships that are formed between parents, educators, and their families, we help moms and dads overcome the challenge that stand in their way of focusing on their child's health and their development. Parent education connects toward their own economic independence. Because as one of our participants said, if we are not doing well, how can we help our children? Family centers have a holistic approach. Understanding how our families are not doing well and adapting our services to their difficulties is key to our family success. And that is what we do. For us at the Kennett Square Family Center, this has meant understanding the challenge faced by the growing number of Hispanic immigrant families that come for the opportunity to work in the mushroom capital of the world. Our parent educators teach our children and model for their parents how to teach both the alphabet and el alfabeto. And every year, our staff is there to assist families in the local school district with enrolling their children into kindergarten. A difficult task for a lot of us, but mostly for English language learners and who have never had access to public schools before. Our bilingual parent educators can identify with the community we serve, knows the perspective of our families, and knows what it takes to help moms and dads take their part as their children's first teacher, now and into the future. When parents take their part seriously, we all win. that look of a young child is met with the guidance response that was meant to be. And that guidance response from an engaged mom and dad lays the foundation of success for each child and for the future of Pennsylvania. If you're not involved, get involved now. If you are, thank you so much for the work you do. Your children will thank you later. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Thank you.